was made, and the beautiful did trade gold. Yeah, so as I told you, I was gonna be having my live session morning and evening, and yeah. So right now on my side is morning time. I don't know about your side. Whatever time it is, we're just gonna trade gold. I don't know, but yeah. Yesterday, I remember we we analyzed the chart. Yeah, we analyzed the chart, and we came up with this structure. All these things, I did them live. All these things, they were live. Okay, and I know you guys are wondering, oh, what is that trade? Well, if you're new in this channel, I mean, this trade I took it live while everyone was watching. The trade was around here. This was my confirmation, and I took it, and I had another confirmation, entered the second trade in gold. Okay, so I had like, I don't know how many positions here, like five, and the market continued going down, gave me another confirmation right over here, gave me another confirmation, but it came back to my entry. That was kind of stressful, I don't know, because at that point I was holding a lot of positions. At this point, sorry about that. At this point, I was about, was it 5k, 5k plus in profit, and then we went back to zero. And but what did I do? I preferred, or I just, wanted to risk some cash. So at this point, by the way, here, I know you guys are wondering why my stop loss is so close to my entry. My stop loss, when this price came all the way down here, I moved my stop loss to my entry, or a bit. It was a bit inside of profit, because the market had started going down, so I was like so comfortable putting my stop loss right there as a break even. Okay, as a break even. That's why I pushed it here as well. Just most of the time I'll not check my phone, because when I check my phone, I'm always getting tempted to either close the trade or to add more. So I prefer using this view right over here, just to trade it. That's what I prefer. Anyway, let's continue. So when the price go here, I pushed my entry to my stop loss to my entry, just break even, in case the market reversed on me without my concept. Because after the market got here and it started going up, before it went up, I identified this OB. This OB, remember what I told you yesterday? It is, this OB was in the 15 minutes, was the main cause of this low to be taken out. Okay, so it's a strong OB, and what did the market do? It came back to it, retested, went down, retested back to that OB, went down again, came back and took some people out who were trading over here. Well, I was afraid that even yesterday this was gonna happen here. I was afraid of this happening right over here, but I was caught. It didn't happen. Yeah. So that was the trade, I guess. TOTP. It was a clean trade right over there. So if you trusted me yesterday and you entered the trade, well, right now your account is sucking in money, or let's just say your account, let's just say you've just passed that profile, you know, you've passed it already. Because if I was you and trading this, I would just risk, you know, I'm not advising you to do that, but I would just risk. Because I'm so sure, because come on, yesterday where we were, the trade had, gold had given me three entries that I had missed. And then it gave me this confirmation right over here. I missed it as well, remember? And then we came here and they gave me another confirmation. And you expect me to leave it? Bro, I'm gonna enter till down here. Okay? And now the market is down here. I'm waiting to see how it will react. But I'm anticipating for a buy because we're in a uptrend. So I'm just gonna wait for confirmation. And then I'll share it in my Telegram group because I'm pretty sure it's not gonna happen right now. But at the same time, I don't know. I'm not yet sure what the market is doing right over here because I've not checked it closely. We're gonna get to that soon. First, let's just look at this. How do you call it? This trade. What happened? What did I do good? How did I do it? So, don't worry, my chat is so messed up. I've been using this like this setup. This one right over here from Monday to today. Anyway, so on yesterday evening or yesterday morning, New York time, I identified this FG confirmation that we are selling. Yeah, I identified this FG, took out the low right over here aggressively, and then came down here, started consolidating, showing for consolidating, which gave me a confirmation that we might go lower. And what did the market do? It went lower. I identified an OB, and the market came back to that OB and went even lower. Okay, so if I wanted, actually, sorry guys, I forgot to tell you something. Yesterday when I was holding the positions here, remember I was holding more than 5 positions. So I came down here and the market got here and I closed around, I closed half of it and left the rest to play. Remember as I told you, secure your profit, half of your profit. Don't let everything just play, you know. You lose it all. Because imagine this trade reversed me all the way up here. I'll be out, right? But not really because I'm having a break even right over here. That's how you do your risk management here. So yesterday we had this crazy move all the way up here, okay, and then the market started showing a sell up here in my FG. I already said that, okay, in my FG, and then it started reversing, and then took out this low, okay, took out that low aggressively. Actually, it never came back to retest it, but in the 1 minute it gave us the entry, the retracement, okay, on my OB. Actually, even here it gave me a retracement. It's just that I was not here in the one minute. And then we have the other OB right here where I took the trade. It gave me this confirmation, but it is scary because I thought it was gonna reverse on me. And remember that time I was full SL, okay, not like right now. Right now, even if yesterday, even if it reversed on me on this break even, remember I'll still end up in profit because my stop loss is inside profit. So I'll just take whatever it takes me out with, yeah. But if you trust yourself, you're gonna hold this trade till right here. Yeah, that's much of it, of how that trade happened. You know. So, well, I think I already took this. Let me take it again. Very nice. So as I was saying, I'm just gonna right now it's not gonna be that long, but it's still just gonna be, you know, yeah, it's not gonna be that long session. Uh, I'll just look at this zone, try and see what the market is doing. Let me just remove this one because I'm done with it. Okay. Okay. So right over here, let me just go to the 30 minutes. So in the 30 minutes, we have this OB. It's a very, very strong OB. Yeah, because it caused the market to go all the way up here. This move took out a lot. Yeah, it caused this move all the way up here, taking out this low, sweeping out this liquidity inside here. Yeah, so it's strong OB. Okay, and then if you have noticed, we have this flag. Yeah, I don't know, but I always find it so easy to identify these flags. That flag right over there. That's a bullish flag. It shows a continuation. Okay, it's more of a continuation pattern. That's the flag, right? Yeah. So if yesterday I was in this trade from here, but if I was not here in this trade and I got this flag, I would go to the 15 minute and I'll look for to the lower time frame and I'll look for an entry. Okay. Either on this OB right over here or this small FG. Yeah, we got an FG here. Right over there. That FG. But that's not important right now because the main thing is identifying what the market is doing here. Okay. I want to know what the market is doing here and where you wanna go. Okay, maybe high, maybe low. Okay, so we have this OB. Let me just put it on the 15 minute for that, you know, that sweetness, you know. So we're gonna go back to the 15 as central moon, as in this FG right over here. That FG. Yeah, this one is complicated now because we have an OB that's strong, an FG that has potential. When the market pushes inside it, it might reverse all the way down to this zone, to this one. That's what I'm telling you guys. Yeah, I'm not so sure of what the market is doing right now because apparently it's giving me a lot of confirmation. Yeah, because I can buy from here and I can sell from here. So you know what I'm going to do, guys? I'm not going to use the FG here. I'm just going to wait for confirmation here and see what the market is doing. So this is what I mean by confirmation. I'm gonna wait for the market either come to this out this highs and then make a retracement in any of the V's that it has created here, like cause this to be taken out. High possibility is this small piece. It might be that one, and then I'll just enter for that buy. Okay. For for sale, the market will just push. Yeah, the market will just push up a little, and then go down, retracement into that OB, and then all the way to the ground. Okay, something like that. So that's what I'm gonna be waiting for. I think we can just stay here and watch the markets. Maybe if you have questions, you can ask. I don't know. But at the same time, you also wait for your own confirmation, because not all the time that my confirmations are guaranteed. Not all the time. 1 minute. 1 minute candle looks strong, I guess. So yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, that we have a busy right over here. Yeah, that busy, yeah. But the reason why I don't want to use how do you call them, FGs, is because I've noticed FGs are they're kind of quite a lot, and at some point it might get confusing when you start putting a lot of things without a purpose. This is the high that I'm talking about. This is an OB, not an FJ. Yeah, this is an OB. Let me stop waiting there. I don't know. What do you think, guys? Should I use this one or the other? Because this one has high possibility, see, of pushing the market down, all the way down. See? I'll just put it here. Right over there, yeah. So we had this kind of retracement back into the FG right over here, now this FG, and now we have this continuation, and then we have this OB where the market is retracing to, it has retraced back to, and now it's threatening me to get into a short. Yeah, it's threatening me, it's telling me, bro, get in. But who am I? I'm not gonna get in because already that's like this too long for me to enter. Maybe I wait for another retracement, enter. But it will be risky because we are currently testing an OB that's stronger. This one is stronger than the one that I've driven. This one. So that's what I'm telling you. Either this OB, this one, either this OB, sorry, oh my god, either this high will cause the price, because we have this, will cause the price to go all the way down, retracement continuation, okay, or this OB right over here will cause this price to go all the way up, retracement, maybe deeper, continuation. That's what I'm gonna wait for. Right now I'm not gonna lie to you guys and tell you, oh, get in, oh, get out, oh. No, I don't wanna risk your own accounts. If you wanna get in, sell or buy, that's up to you. But just know that the market might do anything. However, a high possibility is for it to continue higher. It might Ah, okay. So we have all this move, this move. So having all that to the move, we might have that confirmation, sell confirmation from this zone. Okay. So we might have this sell confirmation, and then all the way down here. Why am I saying all the way down here? Because we we might the market might want to clear all this move, this one, all this liquidities over here, because some buyers are right here, their stop loss are here, others here, others here, others down here. So the market might even come and sweep liquidity and continue, but I'll just risk it. I'll risk it. Anyway, let's just focus. However, I've not said that this OB is not strong. It's still strong because it caused this move. Okay, like this is the father of that move. That's the foundation of that move. So price might actually even come, take liquidity, continuation all the way back here, all the way up here. But what am I gonna do? If it gives me a confirmation of the buy, I'm gonna buy halfway to that high. There, it's gonna be halfway. I love doing that because sometimes the market will just come close to this high and fail to push higher, then retrace all the way back down. So I love just taking halfway, and then you have to teach yourself not to be greedy. Okay, just look for consistency, because if you have more wins through consistency, then you're gonna win. You're gonna be always winning. And if you're greedy, my guy, you're gonna be losing each and every single time. Because I know there's somebody in this trade already. There's somebody trading this, either buy or sell. Because apparently, Bigra told them that the market will go this way. My guy, I never told you the market will go up or down. I'm also waiting for confirmation. So yeah. I don't know if you wait for the confirmation together. We see what the market will do. And then we continue. Okay. So you've created this high. Okay. The market might find this one. Okay. Like we create in this 1 minute, we're creating high lows and lower lows. Okay. Down here. Actually, not down here alone. From all the way up here. But the thing is, the market might actually. Remember, personally, I'm still on buy until I get a sell confirmation down here. Yeah. But personally, I'm still on buy because as you've seen, we've cleared this move already. Okay. Let me just check one thing. Yeah. Sometimes it's good to check what you're doing. You don't just do it. You check. You do it. So we have all this one. I want to minimize. Even if I get in, I want to I want to minimize my risk down here. Okay, I want to minimize it. But at the same time, you can still put the OB all the way down here. If you want, you can still put it there. But the reason why I'm putting it here is because in the 5 minutes we had this OB. Inside the 15 minute and the 15 minute inside 30 minutes, okay? So the 15 minutes still okay if I put it here, unless the market decides to sweep liquidity, then I'll be out. Yeah, I'll be out. Yeah. Anyway, so guys, I think I'm just gonna risk it. Yeah, and actually just take the buy. The reason why I'm so confident about taking this buy is because we still have this remove all the smoke that the price might come back up to and clear it. Okay, so I'm just gonna put my trade here. Right over there. I'm not in yet, but yeah. I just leave the stop loss like that. And I'm gonna aim for that high. I'm gonna aim for that high. This way. Don't be greedy and aim for the other highs. Just aim for this, for the logical high. Okay. Just aim for that logic high. 1 minute. Let me just press the trade here. Okay, so I'm in already. Yeah, I'm in. Just go with here, somewhere there. Just around that place, I mean. And so let's see what the market got and what the market will do. What the market has got for me as my breakfast. Okay. So still have this one. See what will happen. I hope I did not get in too early. And I hope you guys as well. But you can just wait for your confirmation. I mean, that's way better. Just wait for your own confirmation. Because apparently, for me, I have, yeah, you can see, I already have the confirmation, but it's just I'm too afraid to tell you guys to enter because maybe it's too early. The price might even go low for the week. I don't love to put my stop loss too low. I don't like that. But anyways, in the 1 minute, after I get this confirmation up here, that I'll high like aggressively and I'll push it to here, reducing that, you know, that's right. I know, it's okay. Let's just see what the market will do. I hate to turn my whatever my stop loss is down here. I don't know. I'll just take it. Yeah, it's okay, guys. Let's just watch and see. I'm not gonna be doing more. I'm not gonna be talking that much in the mornings. You know, when you wake up and you're just tired of sleeping. Then yeah, but it's okay, guys. Let's just see what the market will do. Uh, Guys, I think I'm gonna move my stop loss all the way here. You know why? This market, I just I went to the high income firm and I got this OB right here. So this is the godfather. He's the godfather of this. How do you call them? This move. See the move. See See, yeah, that's the cause of this move. So, what will I do? What's my plan? What's my risk management plan? I will use the 15-minute OB down here. I don't know if the price will come and tap the sign. Okay, and leave. Let me just mark it. So the price might actually come down here, sell all the way here, and then buy. But sometimes it might buy from here all the way up. Okay, so this is like my 15-minute OB. Yeah, 15-minute OB. If you can remember, we had this OB right here. Okay, so we're gonna use this one. We're gonna use this one if the market will ever come down here. But at the same time, I'm still holding the trade until I get a warning from the market. Okay, but I already got a warning. That's why I reduced my risk. Apparently, I cannot put this stop loss anywhere close. I have to put it down here to be safe. Down here to be safe. So let me just reduce the risk and not, play around with gold. Gold can destroy you in minutes. Yeah. I'm just gonna hold that. Maybe if it does, it shows me that, but I'm not going anywhere. Well and good. If it shows me that it's going, we're gonna hold. But at the same time, if it pushes all the way down here, I'm out. Yeah, I'm just gonna close the trade and wait for it to give me a proper confirmation. Okay. So I'll just mark. Anyway, it's already marked with the white line. So it's not need. Yeah, let's continue watching and enjoy the view. So guys, I will share the updates in the Telegram group. Yeah, I'll show you what happened, the trade. But at the same time, if you're in the trade, you can hold or you can leave. Yeah, it's up to you. But personally, I'm gonna hold it till here, the middle of this will be. It's gonna be more of I don't want to fight the trade. If it doesn't want to go up, it's still okay. It can come here and go up. Okay. So if it comes down here, all the way down here, let me just show you. If it comes down here and refuses to go back up, yeah, for like that's 1 minute, for around 15 minutes, I will just have to close it because it will come and blow off my stop loss. Yeah, it will come blow off my stop loss. Anyway, guys, everyone with a different trading strategy. Just focus on your own confirmations, your own way of trading. Just don't throw up everything because I'm trading this way. Yeah, don't just do that. Follow your own. Be you. All that I do is give ideas on where the market might go. And if we catch a live trade, then we use it together. Okay. Anyway, guys, it's been a pleasure. Till next time. Capes.